Hello there and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to show you how to log into QuantPower using your Wisdom Capital account. First, navigate to the login section on the QuantPower website. From there, select Wisdom Capital as your broker and enter your user ID. Click on the Validate button to proceed. Next, enter your password and confirm your secure access image. Once you are done, click on the Submit button. Lastly, enter your PIN and click on Submit to finish the login process. And that's it. You have successfully logged into QuantPower using your Wisdom Capital account. Now you can start trading directly from the QuantPower platform. Happy trading!